Hey there, tech savvy viewers. Do you ever feel like your browser is speaking a different language? Well, today I'm going to show you how to change the language of Google Chrome. So let's get started.
Hi, welcome to Teach Me K channel. If you are watching my video for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel to stay updated with my videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video.
First things first, let's open up Google Chrome and head to settings. You can find the settings by clicking on the three dots in the upper right hand corner and go to the settings menu here, and once you are inside the settings menu, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page under advanced. It's like we are taking a deep dive into the depths of internet. Now we are going to click on languages menu under this advanced section. It's the third option from the bottom, and so once I click on that, so this is where the magic happens. So click on add language and select your preferred language here. So scroll down towards the language that you want to select. I will just select as Hindi. And so now once you have added a language here, so you can select that language and you can move that to the top. So make sure to move your new language to the top of the list. That way Google Chrome knows to speak your language first. It's like being the VIP of internet. So, and if you want to change the Chrome's language too, you can select language here, and then let me select my language that I want to change my Google Chrome's language here. So once that is done, and just like that, you have just successfully changed the language of Google Chrome. Now you need to click on restart Chrome so that the Chrome starts adjusting itself for the language that you have selected. And just like that, you have successfully changed the language of the Google Chrome. Now you can surf the web in your native tongue or impress your friends with your multilingual skills. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech videos or tutorials like these. Thank you for watching Teach Me K channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.